Let's make the Captain Classic Colada. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Captain Morgan's proprietary version of the Pina Colada that they called the Classic Captain Colada. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. As I said before, this is Captain Morgan's version of the classic Pina Colada. I do have a recipe for the Pina Colada already here on the channel. If you'd like, you can check that out, link down below, and you can compare the two side by side and see which one you like better. A note on this rum. This drink calls for either Captain Morgan's original spiced rum or their white rum. I've got their spice, so that's what I'm going to use. If you want, try their white rum and see how that turns out. And if you don't have either one of those, feel free to use the rum of your choice, but then you're not making the classic Captain Colada. To make this drink, I am going to start with my coconut cream, and I do make my own coconut syrup. Link to that will be in the description down below if you want to check that out. 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters. 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. And finally, 1.5 ounces of your Captain Morgan rum. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Add some ice. And, oh, almost lost it all right there. Give it a shake. Now, I'm going to let this sit for just a moment while I crush some ice. Ice crushed, I'm going to fill my glass about halfway. Not coming out of there. About halfway enough. And I'm going to strain my drink into there. And topped off with the last remaining bits of crushed ice that I have. Never getting any more. You too. Okay. Garnish. The official garnish is a pineapple wedge. Unfortunately, I neglected to wedge a pineapple before I got here, and I'm not going to do it in the middle of making a drink, so you're just going to have to imagine with me what that would look like. Beautiful, isn't it? Add a straw, and there you have it, the classic Captain Colada. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite version of the Pina Colada? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're there, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.